Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to download YouTube video. So let's get started the video. At first, open the YouTube app on your phone and then sign into your account. Find the video you want to download and then click on these three dots next to the video. Here you will find the download video option. If you don't see the download video option, it may not be available for offline download in your region. Now click on the download video. It will start downloading your video. You can click on view to see the downloads. So there you have it. Follow Initial Solution for more quick and easy tutorials.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.